Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting the essentials in place. Update your device and sign in with your Apple ID. Once signed in, enable two-factor authentication so your account is secure. Next, pick a storage plan that fits your needs. The default is 5 GB, but 50 GB or 200 GB are common. Now, go to Settings, tap your name, open iCloud, and turn on iCloud Drive, Photos, and iCloud Backup. This begins syncing your core data immediately. Once iCloud Drive is active, organize how you want content to sync. On a Mac, enable desktop and document syncing so those folders mirror to iCloud Drive. On iPhone or iPad, use the Files app to create folders and drag files in. If you have large photo libraries, enable optimized storage for photos so originals live in iCloud and smaller versions stay on your device. Make sure apps with iCloud toggles are enabled. Finish by confirming everything synced. Check iCloud backup time and review managed storage to see what's using space. If you need more room, upgrade your plan or enable family sharing to share a single 200 GB or 2 TB plan. Make sure you understand what is backing up so you don't exceed limits and set auto backups to run on Wi-Fi. If syncing stops, try the key troubleshooting step. Sign out of iCloud, restart your device, then sign back in, and toggle iCloud Drive to force a resync.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.